Hey everybody, welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking time for tuning into my video. There's a newly proposed bill in New York that would ban the citizens from owning bulletproof vests, and once the law passes, they have 15 days to turn them in to law enforcement. Let's take a closer look. Before we get on with the video, I just want to take a couple of seconds of your time and thank everybody for their support with the channel. We're getting closer and closer to 25,000 subscribers. Last time I checked, it was around 100 subscribers short of 25,000. And if you guys will do me a favor after watching the video, if you like, share, and subscribe, that'll help tremendously too as well. Like I said in the intro of the video, a New York lawmaker wants to ban bulletproof vests for law-abiding citizens. Before we get into that part of the story, let's go back to last year. And I think that information that I give you will show you why they actually want to ban these bulletproof vests. Back in August 15th of 2020, there was a story with the headline, "Bulletproof Vest Sales Soar Amid Surge in New York City Shootings." And as you can see, one of the co-owners of the company says his sales are up 80% from the year before. And you ask, why are bulletproof sales higher than normal in New York City? I'll tell you why. The number of shootings in New York City has soared 97%, from 777 in 2019 to 1,531 in 2020. And murders have jumped 44%, from 319 to 462. And that's according to the New York City Police Department. Now let's take a closer look at the bill and the assemblyman that wants to take bulletproof vests away from law-abiding citizens. Assemblyman Jonathan G. Jacobson, a Democrat from New York, is the one that proposed this bill. Some of the stories I've read are keying in on Bill A352, which is a bill that has to do with bulletproof vests, but it's about people committing crimes and wearing bulletproof vests. The bill everybody needs to take a look at is Bill A352, not Bill A53. The bill was pre-filed January 6, 2021, and here's a summary of the bill. Prohibits the purchase or possession of a body vest. Establishes that the purchase and possession of a body vest shall be a Class A misdemeanor for a first offense and a Class E felony for each subsequent offense. Now I'll go a little bit into detail what the bill actually reads. The person is guilty of the unlawful purchase or possession of a body vest when he or she knowingly or unlawfully purchases or possesses a body vest, as such term is defined in subdivision 2 of section 270.20 of this article. This section shall not apply to active law enforcement officers or those whose occupations require the use of body vests as determined by the Department of State. Unlawful purchase or possession of a body vest is a Class A misdemeanor and a Class A felony for any subsequent offense. Any person currently in possession of a body vest, as such term as defined in subdivision 2 of section 270.20 of the penal law, shall have 15 days from the effective date of this act to dispose of such body vest at any local or state law enforcement agency. This act shall take effect on the 60th day after it shall have become law. Most of us are aware of how hard it is to get a concealed weapons permit in New York City, let alone actually own a firearm in New York City. So a lot of people went out last year and bought bulletproof vests so they can feel somewhat safe. So we have a politician that wants to take away that sense of safety from law-abiding citizens. And everybody should be outraged, especially the people that live in New York City. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And like I said earlier in the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to watch more of my videos, just click on one of the thumbnails on the screen and it'll take you right to them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.